CPT Markets presents today's market highlights. Despite higher CPI, the US stocks still closed in green, led by tech giants. Specifically, Nvidia increased 7%, while Microsoft increased by 2.6% and Meta increased by 3.3%. Besides, Oracle shares also surged 11% after beating Wall Street profit estimates. 20% of the 75 central banks surveyed by OMFIF anticipate increasing euro holdings in the next 2 years. Despite this, the dollar's dominance, constituting 60% of global reserves, will not lose its crown so easily. Bitcoin's record-breaking rise is generating 1,500 new million-dollar wallets daily, driven by US ETFs and strong investment demand. Despite this, the rate of creation is still slower compared to 2021, which saw over 4,000 daily. The peak this year was 1,691 wallets on March 1st. The Consumer Price Index increased by 0.4% over the previous month, in line with forecasts. However, compared to the same period last year, US CPI increased by 3.2%, higher than experts' forecast, and also surpassed the 3.1% level of January 2024. Excluding food and energy, core CPI also increased 0.4% over the previous month and increased 3.8% over the same period last year. This shows that inflation will accelerate again in February 2024 and cause the Fed to be more cautious before lowering interest rates. Today's market overview. After the CPI inflation report, U.S. stock futures contracts and bond yields both increasing slightly, showing that the path towards the central bank's 2% inflation target may still be bumpy. Traders are now turning their attention to the Producer Price Index expected to be released later this week. That's all for today. Until next time, when we explore more market highlights with CPT.